So how'd you enjoy your appointment?
Oh, I enjoyed my appointment. Thank you. It was so relaxing.
Oh, okay.
You doing okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, Lordy.
You can hang your purse up.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
So you just gonna get it just straightened out, or you want like it
I
straight
need
with curls?
a good conditioner because it hasn't been conditioned in a long time, and a good trim. And I guess when you silk person, they can be kind of straight, yeah. That's something. That was a good nap.
Glasses.
Mm-hmm. Get them up, 'cause Lord, I lost my old ones the night of the party.
Oh,
In my black
was that your sister? Did she ever find her purse or what was it?
oh, that was Verblin. I found it in the yard the next day. I found her in the yard the next day. She had lost her little wallet, her Louis Vuitton little wallet. It had a house key in it.
Oh, you want closure?
I don't know.
I look at you.
Yeah, look, I don't know. The girl that used to do it would come to my house and do it. And Jalara, the other girl that does it, I go to her house, but she got so many other things going. She sell a lot of makeup and stuff. You probably seen her on Facebook.
Yeah, another thing, I'm starting for Christmas. Pick a stocking. Which one you want to pull from?
I think I'm going to take the white stocking.
Okay. So you reach inside the stocking, and that's gonna be your gift for Christmas. It could be like something off an appointment, a free appointment, or you might pull a gift. What we got?
I got a gift.
Okay, what size?
Medium, random gift.
Okay. So.
Whatever you want to pull me from the medium random gift, you look, you know what you got in them.
I have forgot. I think okay, so we're gonna go this size.
Thank you.
Alright. You will be free.
Alright, Missy. Yeah, I'll get what you want to get your little.
So how'd you enjoy your appointment?
Oh, I enjoyed my appointment. Thank you. It was so relaxing. It's been a while since I laid back and got my hair washed.
Oh yeah. Well, can't wait to see you for next time.
Okay, dear. Thank you.
I hope you go to the thrift store.
I'm gonna go. Oh, where's my jacket at? Look, that's Destiny. She'll tell me every time you go somewhere, you need my stuff. I left her conditioner at place.